Stuck in a 9 to 5, dreaming of financial freedom? You're not alone. Millions of people wake up every day, clock in, clock out, and wonder if this cycle will ever end. But here's the truth. You don't have to quit your job to break free. Financial freedom isn't about escaping the 9 to 5, it's about transforming it. While you work, your money can work harder. So ask yourself, what if you could achieve freedom without quitting your job? Welcome to Freelance School. Today's topic, what if you could achieve financial freedom while still working a 9 to 5? Let's go to our video. The trap of the 9 to 5. Most people think financial freedom only comes when you leave your job. That until you quit your 9 to 5, you're stuck. But that's not true. In fact, your current job can be the very tool that sets you free. Why? Because the structure, the steady income, and the predictability of a 9 to 5 can be leveraged into something far greater. You don't need to escape yet. You just need a strategy. Your salary is a seed, not a ceiling. What if we told you your paycheck isn't your limit, it's your launch pad? Most people use their salary to survive, but you can use it to invest, to build, to grow. When you shift your mindset from spend to build, everything changes. Budgeting isn't a punishment, it's a blueprint. Your job becomes your investor, not your captor. Step 1, know your number. Financial freedom starts with clarity. How much do you actually need to be free? Not to be rich, but to live on your own terms. Calculate your monthly expenses, your desired lifestyle, and the passive income required to support it. That's your number, and every dollar you earn while working your 9 to 5 can move you closer to it. Step 2, build income streams. Use the security of your job to fund your future. Start a side hustle, invest in dividend stocks, buy cash-flowing assets, create digital products, learn skills that multiply your time. While your job pays your bills, let your extra energy build your empire. You don't need overnight success, you need consistent action. The power of time multiplication. Most people trade time for money, but wealthy people multiply time. How? They create systems that keep working even when they're not. That's how you win while still working a job. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing growth, even while you were working your 9 to 5. That's leverage. The mindset shift, from worker to investor. This shift is powerful. Stop seeing yourself only as an employee. See yourself as an investor, a builder. You're not stuck. You're using this phase to gather resources. You're the architect of your freedom, and your job is your first brick. Resisting the burnout. It's easy to feel tired. Working a 9 to 5 and chasing freedom on the side isn't easy, but it's temporary, and it's powerful. You're doing something most people will never do. Building your future with your present. Remember, this isn't forever. You're not sacrificing. You're investing in a life most people will never have. Celebrating small wins. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but every saved dollar, every small win matters. Celebrate your first $100 in passive income, your first investment, your first debt-free month. These are the bricks of your new life. What if you never quit your job? Here's a twist. What if you never quit? What if you love your job but want options? That's freedom too. Financial independence doesn't mean you must leave. It means you can if you choose. That's real power. Doing what you love, not because you have to, but because you want to. Legacy over lifestyle. Financial freedom is about more than money. It's about legacy. What will you leave behind? What impact will you make? While your peers are upgrading their cars and chasing promotions, you're building something bigger, something that will last. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.